Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Qorus's Hello World example, following a no-code approach. We already covered the example taking on a code approach in detail in our How to Build with Qorus Hello World video. You can find the link to the video in the description. You can create the Hello World example with a no-code approach by following these steps. Step 1. Create a source directory and connect to the Qorus server. Step 2. Configure and deploy the FSM object. Finite state machines allow you to configure and deploy arbitrary logic by connecting integration objects. When existing building blocks are sufficient to cover the implementation requirements, FSMs support a complete no-code solution. Step 3. Configure and deploy the job interface. Qorus jobs are similar to a cron job. They are simple tasks executed on a schedule. Step 4. Run the job and check the logs. Open Qorus's building blocks directory in VS Code and click on the Qorus Developer Tools extension. Then click on the purple Q button to bring up the IDE's main menu. To create a subdirectory and add it to the sources, click on Manage Source Directories. Name your subdirectory and click on Create and Add to Sources. Before creating, editing, or configuring any Qorus object, it's necessary to connect to the Qorus server first. For this example, you'll connect to a local Qorus instance. Create a new finite state machine and fill in the new FSM form to describe your object. Click on the Go to Flow Builder button to create a flow diagram. Drag the API call block into the diagram window and configure the FSM state. In the Action Value section, click on the Please Select button and select Factory from the available items. Now add the Qorus API Data Provider Factory. Repeat the process through util and add the logged message request response data provider. Now, set Allow API Arguments to True. This allows you to enter the arguments for the given API call directly in the state. In the Custom tab of the Message field, enter the text you want to print to the logs. Click Submit to save the state. Likewise, save and create your FSM object. Finally, deploy the object to the Qorus server. Create a new job interface and fill in the new job form to describe your interface. Add the active field and set it to false. This will make Qorus ignore the schedule and will only run the job on demand. Add the Groups fields and set it to the Examples group. Now, add the FSM field to the form. Click on the drop-down labeled Please Select and choose the FSM you created earlier. Click on the plus button to add a trigger. In the Manage Trigger window, select Trigger. From the drop-down, select Run and click Submit. Finally, it's recommended to always add an author. Click on the Submit button to save and create your job interface. Now, deploy the interface to the Qorus server. Go to your favorite web browser and visit Qorus's web interface at localhost port 8011. Open the Jobs tab and find the Hello World job you deployed earlier. Open the Jobs pane and click on the Run button. Open the logs and find the Hello World statement. We hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.